In this video, we are understanding limit and skip method from the stream API. It is an important question. I have in here list of integers. You can see list of integers. So what is limit and what is skip method means? Limit method is used to get the records or the elements from beginning to given number, and skip method is used to skip the elements from beginning to given number and print from that number to ending. Limit method, I'll show you the practically. List dot stream dot limit. I want to print only two numbers dot for each of followed by lambda expression. Next, let me run the code. It is printing only 1 and 2. I am printing here two numbers only. I am limiting to print two numbers, 1 and 2. I want to print four numbers, 1, 2, 34 and 55. Just come here, make it 4. It is printing four numbers on 1, 2, 34 and 35. 1, 2, 34 and 35. Limit method is used to print the elements from beginning to given number. And skip method is used to skip the elements from beginning to given number and print from that number to ending. Limit method, I'll show you the practically. List dot stream dot skip. Skip method is used to skip the elements from beginning to given number. Here I am skipping 8 elements dot for each, for understanding only, followed by lambda expression. Let me run the code. 1 second, I'll make it perfect. You can see here it is printing. Limit method is 1, 2, 34 and 55. Here we are limiting the numbers, print only 4 numbers from the beginning to given number. Here skip method is specifying it is used to skip the elements from beginning to given number. So we are skipping here 8 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We are skipping these 8 elements and printing this only 1. So if I want to skip only one element, so I can keep here 1. Here 1 is skip it, rest of all printed. You can see 1 is skip it or not. 2, 34, 55, 6, 7, 88, 76, 5. If I skip 2 numbers, if I skip 3 numbers, 1, 2, 34 will gone, and 55, 6, 7, 88 and 76, 5 will come. You can see 55, 6, 7, 88, 76 and 5. That's it. The guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and follow. That's it.